everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Spring is on the way. Look at this weather we're having. Fucking beautiful day. I'm out making a vlog for you, and I thought I would let you all know about the Kickback Show. Kickback Show is on the 1st and 2nd of April at Stoneleigh Park in Warwickshire, and it's a fairly big event. It's going to attract 2,500–3,000 visitors apparently. So there's a lot going on in the show. We've got cafe racers, scramblers, street fighters, choppers. It hosts the finals of the custom bikes championships. So there's all sorts going on. There's a band in the evening, there's a bar, there's stunt shows. But by far and away, the most important and exciting thing about the weekend is Bikers Hub are going to be there. Oh yes, we've got a club stand. It's going to be awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Can't wait for it actually. If you fancy coming along, I can actually get you in for free, but there's only 2 spaces. The only catch is you need to come on your bike and leave it at the Bikers Hub gazebo for the weekend, and that's it really. You can go off and enjoy the show, come back, have a chat to a few people about bikes, about your bike, about their bike, what you like about bikes, what you don't like about bikes, all sorts, you get the idea. And that's it really. So if you want to do that, let me know as soon as possible, because I suspect the 2 spots that I've got are going to fill pretty quick. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you about the Kickback Show, give you the opportunity of coming along, and it should be good. I'll put a link in the description to the event website so you can get all the details. But thank you for watching. As always, take care, ride safe, see you next time. Cheers.